Hi darlings, in this video we are going to discuss about animal cell. Firstly, cell. Cell are the structural and functional unit of life. Structural means all the body of organism is made up of cells, and functional unit of life means all the chemical reactions in our body is taking place by the cells. These cells is the reason why we are living today. Cells are mainly divided into two types, prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. Pro means primitive, karyotic means nucleus. The cells of prokaryotic won't have the nuclear membrane, and these prokaryotic cells won't have the membrane bound organelles. Membrane bound organelles are absent in prokaryotic cells. Kingdom Monaria is the example for this prokaryotic cells, and remaining all the kingdoms, that is fungi, protista, plantae, animalia, is the example for eukaryotic cells. In these eukaryotic cells, all the membrane organelles are present, and U means advanced, karyotic means nucleus. It is advanced type of nucleus. Animal cell. All the kingdoms except Monaria, that is fungi, protista, plantae and animalia, are eukaryotic cells. But this animal cell slightly varies from plant cell. Almost both cells are similar, but some differences are seen between plant cell and animal cell. In animal cell, the outermost layer is the plasma membrane. This plasma membrane helps in protection of the cell, and this plasma membrane is made up of proteins and lipids. At the center of cell there is a large nucleus. This nucleus is a double membrane structure. This double membrane is known as the nuclear membrane. In between this nuclear membrane there is a small gap is present known as the nuclear pores. And inside this nuclear membrane is present a material or matrix known as the nucleoplasm. In this nucleoplasm is present a dark state body known as the nucleolus, and below this nucleolus is present a long thread-like structures which are generally the genetic material strands known as the chromatin fibers. In these chromatin fibers the DNA is present, and this complete structure is known as the nucleolus. The area between this nuclear membrane and this plasma membrane is completely filled with a jelly-like or genetic material known as the cytoplasm. In this cytoplasm are present a membrane-bound structures, that is organelles are present. From the nuclear membrane, there is a network of tubes known as endoplasmic reticulum arises. From this nuclear membrane, network of tubes are arises known as endoplasmic reticulum. On this endoplasmic reticulum, a dot-like structures are present. These are known as the ribosomes. In case of animal cell, these ribosomes are ATS type. On some endoplasmic reticulums, the ribosomes are absent, and such endoplasmic reticulums are known as smooth endoplasmic reticulum where ribosomes are absent. And in some endoplasmic reticulum, the ribosomes are present, and such ribosomes are known as the rough endoplasmic reticulum where the ribosomes are present. And near to the nucleus is present a two rod-like structures, and these two rod-like structures are right angle to each other and known as the centrinoles. Around these centrinoles are present exactly 9 centrinole fibers, and both these centrinoles and centrinole fibers is known as the centrosome. And the next organelle is the Golgi complex. This Golgi complex is a convex concave type of body. The convex side is placed towards the plasma membrane. Next organelle is the mitochondria. This mitochondria is a double layer membrane, and inner membrane is tears into folds and known as the crista. And certain single membrane structures are filled with the enzymes known as the lysosomes. There are vacuoles are also present in the animal cell, and these vacuoles are small, and many vacuoles are present in the animal cell. In the animal cell, we can see the cytoskeleton structures. These can be microtubules or microfilaments. These microtubules are allopipe-like structures, and microfilaments are solid rod-like structures. These microtubules are made up of a tubulin protein, and microfilament is made up of a actin filament. This cytoskeleton provides strength and framework to the cell. The animal cells won't have the cell walls. This is the characteristic feature of the animal cell, and presence of centrinoles are the characteristic features of the animal cell. Centrioles is present only in the animal cells. In plant cells, centrioles are won't present, and cell wall is present in the animal cell, is present in the plant cell, but in animal cell the cell wall is completely absent.